Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I'm showing you how to connect your Wix website to Google AdSense. Before anything, go to your Wix website and click on Publish. Then click on Save and Continue and click View Site. Copy your site's domain as you'll need it to connect AdSense. Once copied, go to Google AdSense, click the Get Started in the top right corner, and sign in using your Google account. Now you need to connect your site. To do that, click on Add Site and paste the domain you copied earlier. Click Save. Then, to verify your site, first enter your information. Just fill out all the details and click on Submit. After submitting, AdSense will ask for your number. Just type it in and click on Send. Once you are verified, AdSense will give you a code to put your website. Just go and copy it. Now go back to your Wix website. On the top left corner, click on Dashboard. Then choose Settings. Now scroll down until you see Developments and Integration section. Then choose Custom Code. Click on Add Code. What you will need to do now is to paste the code AdSense gave. You can also rename the code to Google AdSense and choose where it will be added. Once finished, click on Apply. It will now be shown that AdSense is connected on the site. Next, go back to Google AdSense. Since you are done now, click on the box beside I've pasted the code into my site and the Done button. Google AdSense will now say that the code was found. Just click on Got it. Then it will state that it is reviewing your site. Just wait for a few days for it to be connected to your Wix website, but that is just basically it. Your Wix is now connected to Google AdSense. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.